taken a hard look at the popular products available today. This product is one of the best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
The latest revolution in snow clearing technology meets the cutting edge of cordless innovation with the Snojo's exclusive iON Plus 24-volt lithium-ion battery system. The two included 4-amp-hour batteries provide up to 30 minutes of rechargeable runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Cut the cord with iON Plus cordless convenience. Equipped with the heavy-duty rubber-tipped steel blade auger, Snojo clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. The powerful 1200-watt brushless motor plows through up to 10.5 tons of snow per charge, up to 700 pounds per minute, while the integrated scraper bar at the base of the unit clears straight to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. Put the powder precisely where you want it. Snojo's adjustable chute control rotates 180 degrees to throw snow up to 20 feet away in any direction. And after dark, the integrated 2-watt LED light lights the way for safer nighttime clearing. And when there's more work to be done, boost your battery power with even more iON Plus battery options available online. Or get equipped with a second set of iON Plus batteries to keep throwing when it won't stop snowing. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe. 24V-X2-SB18 48V 18-inch cordless snowblower from Snojo. Get equipped.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.